Alrighty, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and use the counter module. So I'm going to refresh this so you can see it counting up. So I'm sure you've seen them again. This is great to show the impact that you're having. People helped, number of, you see them on other websites, number of coffees served, number of people helped. So you can use this counter. So the counter is just this bit here and the text underneath. The image, the icon, we just add in separately. Again, the counter might be in a circular, or you can have it is in like a bit of a bar as well. So it just counts right up, okay? So it's kind of similar to the progress bar, but there's a few different options. So let's jump into the demo page. We are going to find the counter, put that in. And then we have the first option we have is the counter style numbers only. So that would be that counting up. You can have the numbers in a circular counter, percentage, and then you can have it percentage out of 100 or define your own range. So the counter number would just go, say, 80%. And then you can have some text below and above if you want. So in here, this is how I achieved these numbers. So again, it's all about showing the impact that you're having. I believe, you can have use this module for. So you can add some text there. You have to save that. So that text can appear inside. It can be a semicircle counter. And then depending on where you want to have text, it'll depend on where that appears. And then we can have bar counter. Okay. And then you can come along to just style it, number of margins, top margin. So that's just going to be the text between, or the bar itself. Number bottom margin. Again, you can play around with this. So that's going to be the margin from the text. Okay, bar style is where you can go ahead and customize it for color. And then if you need to change the background color, you can see it's still slightly gray there. You can change it to what you prefer. Animation speed, animation delay. So the delay on when you get those bars moving and the speed that they happen. Again, typography. Go ahead and change the numbered text. So before and after is probably definitely what you want to be changing. So that text up there. You can change the size of that text. Obviously the color. And that's kind of it for the bar. So you can see in here, each of these is an individual one. So if you wanted to have 4 different stats, what you would do is just come along and grab your row. Say we're going to put a new row and we're just going to duplicate this. And then they would be individuals. Again, these aren't the prettiest ones. When we get into building the pages, I'll show you more of this. This is just purely showing you how to customize these. So like I mentioned, so you would just have that for all 4. Now, if you did want to go ahead and put an icon above there, you would just find the module icon. It's photo or icon or image and icon. Put that above there. So you got your icon there. Change that size to whatever you would like. To get rid of that spacing at the bottom, that's where you would come to advanced and tighten that up to maybe -20 to kind of pull that up. Now, for some reason, that doesn't look... This doesn't look centered. So we'd have to play around with that. That might be the column. Might be the setting inside the column setting sometimes. Equalize heights. Border. Nope. Nope, that's all good. Yeah, that's centered now. Not sure what happened there. So yeah. And I mean, just to show you how to change your icon, super easy. You just got the icon colors. You have the solid color there. And then if you wanted to use a hover color, save that, hover that. And there you have your counters. Anyway, we will continue through the modules.